Good Friday morning. I'm meteorologist Nathan Kitchens here. Thank you for checking in with your Midwest Extreme Weather Update. And if you're a new sign up here, taking advantage of our 50% off sale from today through Monday, thank you for signing up here. We truly appreciate it here. So if you have any friends or family who are weather enthusiasts, we have some great deals for you. If you're interested in kind of the long range weather, we have our weekly energy and weekly farm reports here, which will give you two long range updates a week. And those will go out through weeks 3 and 4 as well. So that's a pretty long time frame. You get it's kind of a look here at what to expect. And also you get a week ahead report every Sunday afternoon. Just a synopsis of the upcoming pattern over the next couple of weeks across the Midwest. And you also get access to our sub-seasonal, monthly, and seasonal outlooks, which are posted on our website. So you get a lot of bang for your buck, and that's only $247 a year. I mean, that is a great, great deal there. And our Midwest Extreme subscription here, only $25 a year from today through Monday if you sign up here. And you will get multiple updates when the weather is active. So when we have blizzards, winter storms, severe weather events, you will get multiple updates. This is a great subscription for anybody who is just a big fan of the weather, always tracking the weather, and those who are always wanting to know how much snow is going to fall when there's a snowstorm imminent. And it's in those situations when you will get multiple updates with this subscription. And when the weather's quiet, for the Midwest Extreme subscription, you will not get updates when the weather's quiet. So keep that in mind. It's only when the weather is active and things are going on. So just bear that in mind. All right. So again, the links to sign up are on our social media pages, our Facebook here. You can also find it, of course, on our Instagram and our Twitter. These links are right here. Again, the sale will be going through Monday. Let's talk about weather now. Let's get right into the forecast here. We have another big storm coming up for the Midwest, and this one going to bring more rain to the Ohio Valley, a big snowstorm for the upper Midwest. This morning, we just have a few sprinkles, some areas getting some freezing drizzle and some flurries up across Wisconsin, Michigan this morning, and parts of Iowa there. Check out the alert map this morning. I mean, check this out, because we were talking about 2 days ago how active it was. We had just all these different weather alerts. Well, here we are again 2 days later. Look at the western U.S. I mean, we've got, of course, just snow going on like crazy across the Rockies. You've got flooding in southern Arizona right now. This storm has just been a powerhouse storm for the western states. And now we are talking about a blizzard that will be developing across portions of northern Nebraska, the Dakotas here, blizzard warnings, winter storm warnings in the pinks and the reds there. And then you have high wind alerts yet again for parts of Kansas. Now, the good thing is the wind with this storm will not be quite as strong for us here in the Ohio Valley as what the winds were on Wednesday. So it gets windy with the system, but it will not be as strong as what the winds we dealt with a couple days ago. So that is certainly some good news. As far as the snowfall in the next few days through Sunday night, we're talking about a band of 6 to 12 inches of snow across the Dakotas through central Minnesota, northern Wisconsin, the UP and Michigan here. Around here locally, we're going to see very little to no snow in the forecast. Now, that said, we will have snow showers Sunday night, which could drop a coating of snow in some spots on the grass, but no big snows. For all of you snow fans out there, we're going to have to wait just a little while. I'll give you more details here in just a second. All right, so let's take a look at the forecast radar as we go through your day today. We're going to be talking about not too bad of a day, nothing too crazy going on, but we'll see increasing moisture work in across the plain states, parts of Iowa, Missouri, Kansas, and that rain's going to really build and work its way into areas like Illinois, Indiana as we head throughout tonight. This is by 2 a.m., or I should say 3 a.m. Eastern time. You've got rain really starting to work in now around portions of Indiana, and the rain will continue to pick up here heading into our Saturday morning. This is at 8 o'clock Eastern time tomorrow. We have a lot of rain across the Ohio Valley. Look at that snow and that blizzard going on across the Dakotas. You got friends and family, maybe you're traveling up there. Goodness, it's going to be a rough go of it there across Minnesota, the Dakotas there. And for us, we're talking about rain and some scattered storms throughout the day on our Saturday. And then as we head into Sunday, that low pressure is going to kind of take a kind of a dive east-southeast into the Ohio Valley. Got a big area of high pressure up here in Canada. So that's going to keep the storm from going any further north. It'll kind of take a dive like this and kind of work its way towards the Ohio Valley by Sunday to Sunday night and bring the risk for scattered snow showers as much colder air will return to the area. So we take a look at this here as we go into our Sunday afternoon and Sunday night. We'll see scattered snow showers mixed with some rain across the Ohio Valley. And then by Monday, the storm will depart, and we will be seeing quieter weather in the wake of that storm. Now, I want to talk about the wind because I know a lot of us are a little fearful of wind after Wednesday's big wind event. Now, with this system, the winds will get quite breezy tomorrow. We'll have a south wind gusting at times to 25 miles an hour here. And as we go into Sunday, we'll see some gusts over 30 miles an hour. But again, nothing like what we experienced here back on Wednesday. So although it's going to be windy all the way through Monday, these winds will not be the damaging fierce gust like what we dealt with a few days ago. And by Monday afternoon, things will calm down. The sunshine will return by Monday afternoon, and we expect a quieter pattern. You can see as we go into next week, heading into Monday night and Tuesday, high pressure will settle in, and there's not really a whole lot going on next week. There's another front by next Friday, but until then, pretty quiet weather will return across the area. Temperatures, as we roll forward here, will be warming up as we go into our Saturday night, but you can see tomorrow, here's your low pressure on your Saturday, kind of right here. You've got your warm front right here. This is for Saturday afternoon. Pretty chilly up to the north here tomorrow, and then pretty mild to the south. And then that warm air tries to surge north Saturday night, but then that cold front will swing its way through. And then by Sunday evening, we have temperatures in the mid-30s as scattered snow showers will fall and possibly a coating of snow in spots across the Ohio Valley. But that will be mainly on grassy areas here and nothing to get too excited about if you're a big fan of snow. Now, as we look at the longer range trends here shortly, here's a look at the rainfall through Sunday. Pretty heavy. Again, another soaker coming across the area, with temperatures here trending somewhat mild for the first half of December. These are your high temperatures right here on the top, and you notice most of these days are seasonal, at times above normal. There's a front here next Friday that will swing through. That will bring some cooler air next weekend, but relatively speaking, it's not that cool. And then we warm up again after that. So it will really not be till we get to mid-December when things start to change. And you know, we think about years like 2004 that were warm, and then we got real cold at the end of the month and had a big winter storm. And something like that, in my opinion, would not be off the table for this December. That's all I have for your video today. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.